Searching for and landing a job can be a stressful, demoralizing experience, especially if you don't know how to do it properly. The old ways don't work anymore. Finding rewarding work is work. Hi there, I'm Ray Stonehouse, and I'm the author of the book You're Hired, Job Search Strategies That Work, and the online course of the same name. Your Hired Job Search Strategies That Work puts you to work in learning how to use best practices to land your dream job. Do any of these points resonate with you? You're tired, bored of your current job, and want to secure a better, more rewarding job than the one you currently have. You want to land your dream job in the field of your choosing. You're new to the workforce and are looking for a great first job. You're returning to the workforce after an extended absence and want a job where you can use your life experiences. You're not sure how to update or even create a resume, but just haven't managed to because you haven't a clue as to where to begin. You feel nervous about going for a job interview. You lack confidence or feel that you aren't good enough. You've had bad experiences with job searching in the past. You don't know how to get references. You suffer from imposter syndrome. You feel embarrassed, too old, too young, too whatever. Let me be your guide. Don't struggle on your own. I'm here to help you out. It is often said that resumes are your ticket to job searching success. You won't win a lottery if you don't have a ticket, and you're unlikely to be invited for a job interview if you don't have a dynamic, effective resume that features you as a potential solution to a problem. Your resume is your ticket that leads you to being invited for an interview where you can expand upon your value. Here's what we'll be covering in this program. This program provides strategic techniques to maximize your job searching effectiveness, such as how to use best practices to craft and fine-tune your resume, how to target your resume to a specific job, how to write an attention-grabbing cover letter, or not, how to market your transferable skills, how to factor keywords into your resume for better results, and much more. How to use best practices to create and leverage your network web of contacts, how to turn contacts into connections, how to take advantage of both strong and weak ties, how to professionally network and how not to, the value of following up, and much more. Your resume got you the interview, now what? Or perhaps it didn't. We'll be covering how to excel at interview questions, how to organize your presentation. You will learn job interview do's and don'ts, how to recognize different interviewer personality styles and how to adapt to them, how to leverage your references, how to utilize tie-down sales tactics to land your dream job, and much more. Nobody can make a promise that if you follow their program, you'll be guaranteed the results you're looking for, and I won't either. However, I'm confident that if you follow the strategies outlined in this book, you'll be more successful in creating dynamic resumes, leveraging your network of contacts to learn about hidden jobs, and have a better chance of landing and succeeding in job interviews. All of these strategies will increase your chances of landing a job. Hiring managers are under pressure to hire the right candidate. Your task is to become the only choice, the right choice. Sign up today.